Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds that you plant.
Hi! So today we count down 21 days to PSLE. That's 3 weeks. Okay, let's read the question. Tom had 240 more buttons than Roger at first. After Tom used 332 buttons, Roger had 3 times as many buttons as Tom. How many buttons did Tom have at first? So this is a model question. I'm going to draw the model. Now they tell us that Tom had 240 more buttons than Roger at first. So Tom more, Roger less. Yes? 240 more. Next, Tom used 332 buttons. So we're going to have to take out 332 from Tom. So in excess of that 240, right? 240 and a little bit more. Let's find out what's that little bit more by subtracting. So we're going to take 332 minus 240 and we get 92. So that little part there marked by the question mark is 92. So this whole chunk of 332 is what Tom used. And after that, let me extend the line down first. Okay, and indicate 92 for Roger as well. So that part is 92. So in the end, Roger has 3 times as many buttons as Tom. Okay, so which means in the end, Roger is 3 units and Tom would be 1 unit. Which tells us that 92, that part there would be 2 units, right? 3 minus 1, we get 2. So 92 is 2 units. With that, we can find out what's 1 unit by dividing. 92 divided by 2 is 46. And the question wants us to find out how many buttons did Tom have at first, which is the whole bar for Tom, right there. So we simply need to take 1 unit, which is 46, plus 332, and that gives us 378 buttons for Tom. Okay, so that's the end for this question. See you tomorrow.